Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI.
And if you're looking to quickly and effectively remove your emulsion from your screen printing projects, then check out the Ecotex Screen Printing Emulsion Remover from the Screen Print Direct Store. Emulsion Remover is super easy to use and already installed in a spray bottle for easy convenience. This will quickly reclaim your screen printing projects easier. I have found it helpful that if you first wet your screen, then spray the emulsion remover, and sometimes I do use a sponge to spread around the emulsion remover to help it more effectively clean the screen. After you've sprayed it, remove the emulsion. Just make sure you thoroughly rinse out the entire screen from top to bottom, making sure you've removed all the emulsion and that nothing is left over. Doing screen printing is fun, but you want to be able to use your screen multiple times. That's why an emulsion remover is simply a key of the trade. So if you're looking for a new emulsion cleaner, or you want just extra help in being able to clean your screen printing projects, then check out this emulsion remover from the Screen Print Direct Store.
And that's my point of view.